What's up? I am back with another video on, guess what? Potcoin. And hopefully this is the third and last video I'm going to be posting about this coin, unless something dramatic happens in the next couple of days or weeks. But anyway, the reason why I had to do another video yet on this coin is because there's still a lot of people with a lot of questions. And also, I wanted to follow up on what the coin has done in the past couple of days since I made the first video. Currently today, the coin is up about, I'm gonna say 800% since I got into it just this past weekend, which is crazy. And since I made the first video that I posted, I think it's gone up about 300 or 400%. So shout out to everybody who bought into the coin when I made the first video. You guys are now officially profitable. You should be smart and take some of your, at least your initial investment out and just keep the rest in there if I were you. To start off, I wanna say that first of all, I got a couple of negative comments saying that I'm pumping and dumping a coin. First thing I want to establish is that I'm not a tech guru by any means. I don't have a background in cryptocurrency. I just got into this space about 6 months ago. So you shouldn't take my word as advice. You should always do your own research, make your own assessment on these coins and cryptocurrency in general. Take the time to learn what you're getting into and make your own decisions on this. So by no means take my word as advice, because I'm not a crypto expert by any means. I'm just learning as I go along, and I like to share my knowledge, and you take it how you want it. If you want to take my word and invest into some of the coins that I talk about, that's completely up to you. But don't come back and say, oh, you're pumping and dumping a coin. You're helping drive the price up on a shit coin. The coin that today is considered a shit coin could be the coin of the future or tomorrow. It has, and some of these people are like, oh, that's why half of these coins aren't going to exist in the future. Sure, that's a 50-50 chance that a coin's gonna fail. I'm willing to take that shot, because thus far in the last 6 months, I've taken shots with a bunch of coins and I'm green on pretty much every coin that I've invested into. So it's gambling at the end of the day. The choice is yours. Anyway, but to get back on topic. So Potcoin's doing well, and this video today I want to focus on showing you guys, first of all, how to buy Potcoin, and also how to download the wallet onto your computer, specifically for PC because I'm not a Mac user, and show you how to install and how to transfer the funds from your Cryptopia account, the wallet on your computer. So let's go right ahead and get into that. The first thing we're gonna do is go and show you guys how to get your POC on Cryptopia. You have to transfer some funds into your Cryptopia account. So once you've created an account with Cryptopia, you're gonna come here to your balances. You're going to basically transfer funds, whether it's from Coinbase. I have Coinbase here open just to show you guys an example. So let's say you have some funds sitting in your account, whether it be Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, or Litecoin. You're just going to go to send, and then you're going to go here to Cryptopia, and let's say you're going to send Bitcoin. You have to click on deposit. Then you're going to get the QR code along with your deposit address, which you're going to copy the address if it's Bitcoin, and then you're going to come to your wallet. And let's pretend this is Bitcoin here. I don't have any Bitcoin currently sitting on my Coinbase, so I'm just using Bitcoin Cash as an example. So you will be copying your Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash or whatever currency it is you want to transfer over into Cryptopia, pasting it here, then selecting, inputting the amount, and then pressing continue and going through the motions of sending your tokens from Coinbase into Cryptopia. So that's step number one. So then once you have some funds here on Cryptopia, it'll take a minute depending whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum. You got to usually give it anywhere between like 15 minutes to an hour depending on how heavy the traffic is. Once the funds show up here, it's going to show how much you have available. Then now it's time to take your funds and convert them into Potcoin. Now Potcoin, you can only currently trade it for Litecoin or Dogecoin. So we go here and click on markets. These are your options: Bitcoin, US Tether Dollar, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. You can't currently purchase it with Bitcoin as far as I'm concerned, or maybe you can. I'm not sure if that's changed already. Oh, actually you can. So now you can go on here and actually purchase Potcoin with Bitcoin. So you have the option to purchase it using Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin. So then what you do here, well, first of all, you got to input the price. So normally what I do is I go off of the most recent sell order price, and then I copy that. Well, it's when you double click it, it actually shows up here. And then you click on your available amount, and then it'll normally calculate how many of the Potcoins. Well, actually I have enough here to get some Potcoins. So it'll tell you how many Potcoins you're going to get. And then all you got to do is click buy POC, and then it'll place the order for you. So that's how you buy Potcoin. So like I said, now you have Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. So now what you want to do is you want to install the Potcoin wallet into your computer. And to do that, you're going to go over to potcoin.net. Today, they've been having some issues on their website, so if it's buggy, you might want to try back a little bit later. What you do is once you come here to the website, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see here Windows Wallet, download Mac Wallet, Linux Wallet. I personally have Windows, so I went ahead and clicked the Windows Wallet, and it's going to download a file. It's going to be close to 2 gigabytes, so it may take a minute depending on your internet speed. But once it's on your file, then you can go ahead. I've already downloaded it, so I have it sitting here. So you just got to click the installer. I normally do run as administrator. So you're going to go ahead and install. So once the wallet is installed, you're going to get this. And you have to let it sync. So you see here it says synchronizing with network. This is going to take quite a bit, because it has to download all the blocks from the network. So this is going to be your wallet, and the way you're going to send the coins from Cryptopia to the wallet is you're going to click here on receive coins, and this is your existing wallet address. So all you have to do is right click and select copy address. You can label this if you want, so we can put Cryptopia. And here you have different options to create multiple wallet addresses. You can copy addresses, but right now I'm just showing you guys the basic. So we already copied this address. Now we go back over to Cryptopia. What you need to do is go here to your balances. So now your Potcoin will be sitting here, and it'll show you how much you have available. Then you click on withdraw POC. And here you're going to enter the address that you copied from the wallet, and you're going to put the amount of POC you want to send. So if you want to send the full amount, you just click here and it'll automatically put it there for you. So then you're going to need your Google Authenticator code. If you don't have a Google Authenticator, you should download the app. Most of the trading platforms use this if you're not familiar. And I'll show you, I'll pop in a screenshot of what that looks like. So basically, you can only log in whenever you use the Google Authenticator code. So you will always need your phone to log in. It's a good form of security, so that to prevent people from hacking into your account. So once you put the Google Authenticator code, you just press next, and then you send the Potcoin. You confirm, and then you send the Potcoin to the wallet. For me, it didn't take that long to show up. I would personally advise for you to wait for these blocks to load before you try and transfer any of your Potcoins from Cryptopia into your wallet. For me, it took approximately 15-20 minutes for the transaction to show up on this wallet, so I would be a little bit patient. But you can normally also check somewhere on Cryptopia, once you've sent out the coins, you can check the withdrawal history. It'll show you the withdrawal transaction, and if it's actually been completed, you'll see the status here. And that's pretty much it. So once you've done this and you're storing the coins on your computer, you will be able to swap out for the new coins on March 1st by downloading a new version of this wallet. Further instructions will be given by the POC website itself. I personally don't know exactly 100% how it's going to work. I'm fairly new to this myself. I'm only doing this because a lot of you that commented on my videos have no idea as to how to transfer your Potcoins and also install this wallet. So I felt the need to create this video to help you guys out with that. So hopefully it's fairly easy, the transition, once March 1st comes around. But this pretty much concludes. I'm hoping this is the last video that I have to make on Potcoin. And yeah, that's about it. So that about concludes. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any more questions, consult Google. I'm here to help nonetheless. I'm putting out all this information because I want to educate as much as I possibly can. And like I said, I'm going as I go along. So don't judge me if I make a mistake or if I'm maybe throwing out the wrong information. If I'm incorrect about something and you guys have facts to prove that I'm incorrect, then by all means enlighten me so that I can help enlighten more other people. Anyway, thanks again for taking the time to visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share this with whoever you think might find it useful. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, it's all linked below. Happy trading, guys. Peace.